All right, it is time for pre-market prep at the close.
Three consecutive highs, opened, matched yesterday's low, and then once it took out there, that's all the breakout momentum traders needed.
What up, Joel? One of those days, I feel like.
Spencer, what do you want to talk about? What should we talk about today?
Oil almost got
oil. Yeah, everyone gives two craps about oil. What else do you want to talk about?
We could talk about some movie theaters.
All right, let's run down the big boys here. Spoos, man, 4,200. Just let me know when that's either support or resistance. Made a new high, 4,215. Nowhere near the high from yesterday. Haven't touched the pre-market low. Trading consolidation here at 4,200. Someday it's going to be support or resistance. Crude did hit $69 today. 69 right on the kisser, up a buck, 68.72. Gold doing the 1900 tango. That's up $5.60 at 1910.60. Silver trying to get away from $28, up 18.8 cents at 28.29. Good day for Bitcoin. If you could trade the range in the thing from 35 to 37, you're doing pretty good. Up 1980 at 30. This is called 38K. And Ethereum. Oh, no, I got the wrong thing. I got ETH. I got to go at ETH. I wondered that looked kind of funky. That's up $214 at 27.74. Now, Spencer, what do you want to talk about?
We could talk about Coach K. We could talk about your boy John Beeline got a new job.
Wait, what? What happened to Coach K?
Coach K is going to retire after the season.
After next year?
After this coming season. Yes.
Where did Beeline go?
The Pistons hired him, I think, for some front office thing. I don't know.
Oh, really? They're just taking since he did so well with the Cavaliers.
Maybe. Anyway, it's all fun and games, Joel, until the Reddit stocks affect the overall market. So the fact that we are
not yet, though, not yet.
Well, I mean, the SPY is flat. Qs are in the red. Russell's in the red. Dow's green by a smidgen. But AMC is running at here. You know what? I haven't checked in about a half hour. Let's check. Oh, it's at 63. Okay. So we've, dare I say, consolidated? Dare I say that word? I don't even know if I want to say.
All I can say is
Andrew Garver. I like what Andrew Garver.
What did Andrew say?
They really liked the free popcorn. I think the market loved the free popcorn. More free popcorn, I think, is the takeaway from today's show or today's trading.
Did Andrew hear my theory that they're going to make it really salty, and then you're going to have to pay $15 for a Coke or a Diet Coke?
That could be it. That could be it.
Well, we'll discuss it. I don't even have this up on my screen. Just for information. Just call me a loser. That's fine. It took out. I don't even need it. I don't need to be distracted. I got so many with my ADD. I got so many other things to be distracted by.
Good.
I don't need that. All I'll say is, if you were trying to short this thing and it went through the pre-market high, then shame on you, because that's the number one cardinal rule. If you went long there, congratulations, because you had almost 30 stakes in it. Starting to calm down here. Where this go, nobody knows. Why don't we finish up? Well, first let's go with BlackBerry blasting off. Boom. Once again, great day. Can't tell you how to trade that if on your own with this one. Let me look at BB and see how high we got. We got to over $16 pulling back. Not as far as you did on the other run. So you got a lower high. And we'll keep an eye on that. Triple BY once again. They're running with that. Boom. And that, no, that's BBY. I think they were buying that too, just because people typed in the wrong symbols. Big day for that one as well.
Yeah. BB2, same story. KOSS, same stories, above 40. GameStop, if that's still a thing, it is still a thing. It got to 294 today. Nice day for GameStop. Yeah. I don't know. Hey, Joel, you made an interesting remark though about 10 minutes ago. You were like, "Did you see the charts today in IMAX and Cinemark?" You
Yes.
know, Goldman can be influential. Goldman came in, downgraded both to sell this morning. They've come too far too fast to justify the price. That's what Goldman Sachs says. Well, Cinemark dipped at the open, and then Reversal City. We are now up
Right.
2% today in Cinemark. I don't know.
That's I'm probably the only person that's observing the price action in Cinemark and IMAX, but I just thought it was, the downgrade, especially what's going on. The Cinemark, if you were so inclined to take a look at yesterday's low, you took just a little bit of heat on it and now blasting off. So I think that's a great day for the stock, considering one of the most influential firms on Wall Street downgrading it.
Yeah.
For IMAX, you did bust through that 2150, but I think people just said, "Hey, I'm getting a discount here under 21." That turned around, still down 32 cents. So is this just a dead cat bouncing these? I don't know. And then the other observation I made is, what the heck is AMC going to do with all that money? And the CEO or whatever said,
They're
"Hey, we're
going on
gonna
offense. Going on
we're
offense.
gonna we're going on offense. We're gonna buy more empty theaters." So who are they gonna buy?
There's not that many players out there. No, there are other
Who?
smaller. Well, okay. So, for example, there are non-public theater chains out there, right? Imagine in Michigan, or
Oh yeah.
the Midwest, for example. There are other chains. There are just very few national chains. AMC and Cinemark are the only ones I can think of.
You
And
know who would be good to hunt down?
don't say it.
Why?
Okay, just fine. Say it.
Anthony Laverde.
I knew that was coming.
Yeah. I would love to get his take on this.
All
I,
right.
w-
All
I
right.
would love. I
Got
would
it.
love it. I'm
All
gonna call him right now. No, I'm gonna wait till after the show. Okay. So we covered the big boys. We covered the little boys. Phew, man, Big Bill D was looking at Nvidia. I'll do that. Then I'll let you take the lead.
Yeah.
Just blasting off. I was looking to see if it would maybe pause like it did when it made a new all-time high last time. No can do. I was waiting to see if it did this little trick right here, but nope. They bought this out of the gate. People want to own the stock, so there you go. Let's look at NVDA. What
So
else you
what's
want to look at?
interesting is like all the stocks with a high short interest. It's just one of those days. But like the stocks with a high short interest, like they don't always stay that way. Like that list is always changing, right? So right now you got like Workhorse has a high short interest. That's up big today, right? You got Clover Health, which oh man, I
Clover.
didn't even realize that like Clover. Oh wait, I'm confusing Clover with
Yeah,
someone.
no, you're thinking
Wait,
it's CLOV.
no, no Clover responded to the short report, right? Yeah, they did.
Yes.
Okay, there was another one that like didn't respond yet, but Clover did. Anyway, that's up big today. Bed Bath I mentioned. Here like Blink Charging is up almost 10%. BLNK. A lot of these EV plays that have gotten wrecked are having great days today. So you hold long enough, you're liable to see your stock rip via short squeeze or down.
How's Neo doing today?
It's down.
Giving back, giving back. Yep. It got a look. It had a great day yesterday on the Citigroup. You had to own it right now, but they only bumped the price target 60 cents. For that one, what did I couldn't really. Well, here you took out the high from yesterday at 42.44. You went to 42.88. But if you go back, and it didn't get into the 43 handle. That would have been a tough one to catch, but NIO giving a little back.
And Ride too, but it seems like it's so hard. Like Ride is walking uphill, and it's just so difficult. Just like look at that chart. You can tell it like wants to go up, but it's like it's slow moving. It's slow.
Oh, we're cheering. We're cheering that stock on for good old Marcus.
I mean, hey, more power to him. It's at $12 right now. So I guess it's a double in the last month, 3 weeks. So good for Marcus. But
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, it's a double. And guess what this was right here? I mean, Guess what this day was right here?
Wait, let me see. That bottom. What was that? Was that expiration? What was that? What was that?
Earnings.
That was. Oh, it says it on the chart. Yeah, that was earnings.
Earnings day low. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Anyway, all right. Did you see Zoom today? I did not.
Yeah, got some egg in my face on that one. I was totally wrong. It not didn't hurt me in the pocketbook, but I just thought, maybe buy the close on that. But boom, 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 boom. No, I mean it's holding in there. Maybe we'll see if it'll pull a Dell. Where they did it the day after. You couldn't buy yesterday's low, and you couldn't sell yesterday's high. There's a good setup for you. Inside day, got pretty close to yesterday's low. Inside day, see what the street thinks tomorrow, whether you can bust above that I call it 336 or 322. That's a 3-star support there in Zoom.
It is just wild. Like basically any stock that's been crushed this year is having a good day today. Like Lemonade too. How's ARKK doing? Oh no, not playing ball. How's Tesla doing?
No,
not really.
Tesla had some news, didn't
it? News out this morning. Elon tweeted about the chip shortage. There's that, and there was the AMD. We didn't talk about the AMD news. The AMD partnership with Tesla. That's interesting. But
finally got a catalyst. Cleared 78, but that was a couple days ago. We were talking about that. Good. Go. AMD was looking for something to kickstart it a little bit. It just, it's just been stalling out and coming back. But what do we got going? Ooh, it's over the 50%. Hold 81. Maybe a couple days of consolidation. Another move higher. AMD.
All right. I know I was being sarcastic earlier, but in all seriousness, oil is having another good day. These oil stocks, whether you want to look at ExxonMobil or Chevron or like PSX, SLB, Baker Hughes, they're all up again. Oil got to 69 on the kisser today. And
you know what I think is interesting? Warren scalped some of that Chevron. Didn't he?
Yeah, he did.
Warren, he must be listening to pre-market prep too much and getting that shorter term time frame. But he bought. How about he didn't sell out of everything? No, he didn't go around trip.
No,
right?
No, that's
not his style. I think it's interesting now. I don't think I've ever all the years I've been following him. See him do buy it one quarter, sell it the next quarter. So I just thought that was an interesting observation.
Yeah, I mean, Robert Carneal, RIG, same story. The whole sector, right? Value was the winning factor in May, and look no further than energy to see why value was the winning.
How about ORIG? How's that doing?
How is ORIG?
Remember ORIG?
ORIG is long gone.
That was a cold play.
That one's long gone.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I almost got smoked on that one. I had some calls. I think there were like 7 calls or something, and earnings, and boom, and the thing got whacked. So I ended up selling out of some other put. I didn't take, I kind of sold some other puts and kind of managed to break even on that one. But that was a long time ago. Battle for 4,200 continues, folks. We are up and down and all around. I wish I did the Stottlemyre market profile, because all you would see would be X's and X's at 4,200, 4,202, 4,198, 4,199. Longest kind of consolidation. Let's look at it on the. Now I'm not going to go to the daily charts because it will mess up my pre-market and after hours. But anyways, what's going on?
Chat's funny. Michael Nicosia, no, we are not going to talk about random cryptos on this show. You want to talk about shit coins? Go to Moon or Bust, or go to Get Technical.
I can't trade anything that goes into like 17 decimal points.
Hey, I did see. Was it today or was it yesterday? It was like the 24-year or something anniversary of when the Nasdaq changed the tick size, the minimum tick size. I think for whatever.
Is it 24 years?
I don't know. I don't remember. I don't remember.
From an eighth to a teeny.
Yeah, that.
And then teeny to, the eighth to teeny. That was nothing, right? That was an easy transition. But going from teenies to decibels, I think I'm still working through the transition on that. Dennis mastered it. It drove me crazy, man. Because if we used to trade thick stocks, 5, 10, 15,000 share bid or offer, meant something. Or if you traded a thinner stock and you saw trip nines on it, something was going to town. But much more difficult with the tick size now. But it is what it is, and computers are pretty good at it.
Yeah. All right. 3:47. We got 13 minutes left in today's session. I want to know what you all are trading, are watching. Drop your tickers in. We'll take a look. Someone just dropped Coinbase in there. We talked about that. Well, Craig talked about that this morning, said he likes it. I guess it's found a base for now, which is what you want to see because it basically didn't stop going down for the first few weeks there, but it seems to have found a base.
Yeah, a little bump up, consolidation. I'm not gonna, man. The highs are really all over the place, but I'll just look a little shorter term. Man, they're all over the place. I'd go with 245. Where are we at? We're at 240, 241. Yeah, 245. I mean, all these highs right here still hasn't done a meaningful retracement. So, it's not going down again, right? Consolidation. I was a little surprised Craig pulled that one out of the hat, but
I know.
I know that was great having. He's good. He's good. We took notes this time since Dennis and I were fading them in March and April.
Yeah,
we're all over it. So much for the bank stocks and Coinbase. Dennis and I are looking at them.
Good one, Manuel Costa. Etsy, which made a deal this morning, and this got a lot of press today. I did not anticipate this getting the amount of press that it did, but it was on CNBC a lot. They bought Depop, which is a global marketplace for $1.6 billion. And it ripped. I'm not quite sure why it ripped. I guess I know why. It's because the market likes this news. But typically you don't see companies doing the acquiring go higher the day that they announce a deal. Anyway, this got a lot of press today.
Yeah, it's been in the dumps. It's been kind of consolidation, looking for a catalyst, got the catalyst, and boom. Now you're getting into this whole gap area. So who knows? I don't know if that was off earnings or whatever, but pretty free real estate up to 181.51. That's your gap that you got to fill. And you got kind of close there today. You got to 176.85. So a lot of times you will do that gap fill and get a little pause. So let it run up there.
Who was it that mentioned Airbnb? Man, I got hosed. So Zarian Lewis Airbnb. I got hosed so hard on Airbnb this weekend because they tell you one price and then after all the fees, it's a completely different price. Let me tell you.
Hey, did you make it to that restaurant I recommended?
No, you know why? It's because they were booked. They were booked up the whole. First of all, they're closed on Sundays, which is insane.
Okay.
And then they're all booked up for the weekend. So no, we could not. But I heard it. Other people that were nearby said, "Oh, this place is good," and then I said, "Yeah, well, they're all booked up for the weekend." So could not get there. But anyway, Airbnb. How is that stock doing? Out of favor. So of course it's up today, 5%. Why not?
Had a pair of highs, right? 145, 146, little technical move here. Boom, low on the IPO day, couldn't get there. Maybe we get back to 170, 171. That'd be the half of the move. Second day of the month. Got a nice green candle going to start the month after 3 big red candles. So keep that candle green for the month and make our way up to 170, 171.
All right, I'm going through and looking for tickers that we don't discuss a lot of. MP Materials. Okay, sure. We can look at MP.
And that is the symbol MP. Good day, first day, perhaps, of a 2-day move. Pair of highs right there, 28.80. Cleared that with some momentum. My next target right here, going across the board. You have to respect 32.35, high right there, high just under it, 32.17. Same seller here, 32.44. Boom. Need I say more? The high today, 31.52. So first day of a 2-day move, looking for perhaps for some continuation there. Maybe get up to that 32.5 area.
Here's a headline that just came through. So remember how the Trump administration had like that blacklist for Chinese companies in the U.S. This headline just came through that Biden is going to amend Trump's list to target specific industries, though what those industries are remains to be seen. I'm wondering if the FXI trades down on this, if Alibaba and all those guys trade down on this. But this is going back to when the Trump administration had that list of like companies that can't do business in the U.S.
Oh, remember how nauseating the whole trade war thing was?
Yeah.
I mean, oh my gosh.
Whatever happened with that? You know what? I'm still not quite clear. Do you know? Was that resolved? And also, I'm not being smug. I'm genuinely asking. Was that ever resolved?
Oh yeah, didn't we kick their butt on it or something? Didn't we win?
I remember we got through. Remember we got first. We were in the trade war, and then they're like, "Oh, we got through phase one," and I was like, "Wait a minute, how many phases? How many phases of this war are there? Oh, what are they? Are we in like phase 1 of 10? Phase 1 of 2?
You know what? You know what made us forget about the trade war?
COVID.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, for sure.
We won the trade war, and then we got the pandemic.
Okay.
No comment, no relation, not saying anything, but a strange coincidence. S&P's bouncing all over the place once again. 4,200 just had a quick dip there, back at 4203 and a quarter. Up on the session, trying to have another green session. Doesn't feel like it. Todd, you're asking about X this morning. I don't know what I said about it, but you're getting an inside day. So that makes the importance of that high from yesterday more important, 27, as well as emphasizing the low at 25.61. Looks like it's trading right in the middle. Not much resolution to, I don't know. It's weird. And it's got this resistance up here. So I'm saying, hey, you better take out this 27 quickly, or maybe come down and fill the gap, top of the gap, 24.75. You see the institutions were targeting 23.5. That's the super extra major support, $2.50 away from that.
I guess answer my own question about the China thing. They're going to target China's defense and surveillance technology sectors. Anyway, moving right along, 354 here. Go ahead and drop us a like if you can. We're at like 40 likes as we head into the close. Not enough. Let's get to 150 and then we'll hop off. Okay. Here's a couple from WK Harris, GE or J&J. Pick your poison, Joel.
Hey, yeah, now you guys are in my style, man.
Whoa, look at the GE chart.
Yeah, perky. I'm not sure. What was it, that big blast off 4 days ago? That was last Wednesday, because this is Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday, Thursday. This is what I have to say about GE. Man, if this thing ever clears 1440, 1450, that's where it got up to here. Puked. That's when they talked about the reverse split. It got up here, earnings, puked, came back down. Now it's back up here again. So got to clear that forward. There must be like 7 zillion to sell there at 1440, 1450. So, and that's the highest GE has been since
the last time it was at $14.
$14.99. That was a high back in May of 2018. So clear 14.5. Yep. Wow. And then Johnson & Johnson. I know they tried to appeal the $2 billion loss. The Supreme Court said no.
Nope.
They hit it yesterday. Undercut and rally today. 538 the low yesterday. 511 the low today. So $1 away from that, you got a double bottom after that bad day to lean on 4 shares of Johnson & Johnson.
Okay, Vegas is looking at Dillard's. I know it stopped going up. Oh, no, it didn't. Oh, and it did, but then it started again. Huh.
Oh, look at that. The pullback all day coming in. The water's fine at 130. You could buy 130, 130, 130. I think the move, I wish Vegas, you would ask me about this on Friday or Tuesday. Because what do you have? You know, after the big move, you get these rallies capped at 136, 137. What happens? You take it out yesterday, boom, it's gone. New all-time high. We missed that trade, Vegas. You got to show them these charts with these kind of consolidations before they break out.
For all we know, Vegas hit it, and we just didn't see it.
He was saving it for himself. He's being selfish.
Maybe that's the case. Maybe that's the case. CR Cities still hates that store. I don't know if I've ever been to Dillard's before.
I've never been to a Dillard's. No.
Yeah. Easy Mike says the CEO of Tyson Foods just retired. Okay. I didn't see that.
Eat more chicken. They got through the beef scare.
Oh yeah. Oh, that was this morning. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, tough chart on this one. I don't know. If you're looking for higher prices, just make sure it doesn't breach 79 even. I see these lows 922, 935, 930, 930, 930, 967. So there's your super extra major support in that. On the upside, you want to clear that, spotty highs there. Kind of quiet. Needs to clear 82 for another breakout. Is Coach K, is he done now, or is he going to coach another year?
No, this is going to be his last year. He's coaching one more year.
Okay.
That's what it is.
Hopefully I'll get a chance to boo him.
We would all like that, Joel, although I don't think we will.
I don't know. I mean, maybe I don't know about football season, but maybe basketball season. I got those tickets. I may be raring to go by then. So we'll just have to see.
What else? Going through the chat.
2 minutes. 2 minutes left in this exciting session.
Hey, so Andrew Garver mentioned Beyond Meat. We talked about that yesterday. It didn't play ball. I thought, well, if there's this if there's going to be like a beef shortage, then shouldn't Beyond Meat go up? And it didn't, and now it is today. So go figure that one.
Yeah, the burgers are terrible. I mean, that's the only thing. They're
not that bad.
Yeah, I don't know. Just make sure this thing keeps going. Takes out that 2-day high, 154.40. High close of the rebound here, folks. You're getting it at 149.78. So let's see another day. Very important. That high at 154.40. These same sellers that were back here in early March at 155, big area, 154.5, 155.
All right, we are at the close. Earnings tonight. Endeavor, their first report as a public company, ticker EDR. They're the owners of UFC. You've got AI or C3AI, ticker AI. You've got Splunk, and that's about it. Smartsheet tonight. That's about it on the earnings front. NetApp. So some tech.
Not bad.
Yeah, some tech tonight. Tomorrow afternoon going to be the big day of earnings this week. But we made it to the close, and we closed green across the board in all four major indexes: the S&P, the Russell, the Nasdaq, and the Dow. Good day for those. Good day for energy again, as I said, and a great day for AMC. Congratulations to all you AMC apes. 63 is your closing price, or 62.55, right? Is your closing price on AMC? Okay, not bad, Joel.
All right, folks, have a good evening. Back with you bright and early, 8 a.m.
All right, as a reminder, we're giving away a free share of Tesla. How do you get that free share? How do you enter to win? That's a really, really good question. You watch this video, and then you click on the link that I'm pasting in chat right now. YouTube code is Slime Raz, and it's in chat there. Slime Raz is the YouTube code. Did someone just say Fire Eyes halted on news? Oh man, the news is out. Randy says. I'm gonna hop off the stream in a second. I just want to see this Fire Eye thing. They're selling a unit. Okay, cool. They're selling their Fire Eye products business to Symphony for $1.2 billion. All right, cool. Okay, new show coming up right now, guys. This is recorded on Friday? You're recorded on Friday. Scotch, stocks, and sticks. We got a few people drinking scotch, smoking cigars, talking stocks. Rohan, is that good to go? Dan Severino is good to go. He says this stream is going to end. It'll redirect straight to that. And enjoy the conversation. We've got Penny Lane afterwards at 5 o'clock, Money Mitch at 6, and Aftermarket Therapy tonight at 7. That's a wrap for our programming for the market hours, after hours programming starting right now. Everyone, have a good rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow morning after I end the stream.